In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace draw.io shapes in Confluence. If you've ever found yourself needing to update a diagram on your Confluence page, but weren't quite sure how to replace a shape without starting from scratch, this guide is for you. We'll walk through each step in detail so you can follow along with confidence. To start, make sure you're logged into your Confluence account and have access to the page containing the draw.io diagram you wish to edit. Once you're on the correct page, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the diagram itself. This will bring up various options for interacting with the diagram. You'll then want to click on Edit, which will open the draw.io editor. This is your workspace for any changes you'd like to make. Now that the draw.io editor is open, you'll see your existing diagram in front of you. The next step is to select the shape you want to replace. It's important here to make sure you're selecting the entire shape, not just any text or connectors that might be attached. To do this, simply click on the shape itself. You'll know you've selected the correct element if you see a bounding box appear around the entire shape. This step is crucial because we want to replace the complete shape with all its properties, not just parts of it. With your shape selected, let's move on to replacing it. The simplest and most effective method is to use the Shapes panel found on the left-hand side of the draw.io interface. Here you'll see a variety of shapes you can choose from depending on your needs. Find the new shape you want to use, click on it, and drag it over to your existing shape in the diagram. Then, drop it directly on top of the shape you wish to replace. The draw.io editor is smart and will often replace the old shape while maintaining all of its connected edges. Keep in mind that the success of this method can depend on the version of the draw.io editor you're using. If for some reason this drag and drop method doesn't work, you might find another option under the Edit menu at the top of the editor. Look for the Replace command. If it's available in your version, you can select it to switch out your shape. This gives you a convenient alternative if dragging and dropping isn't doing the trick. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a shape in your draw.io diagram within a Confluence page. With these methods, you can update your diagrams efficiently without losing any connections to other shapes. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and layouts to see what works best for your project. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.